Welcome to this lecture, which is based on delete and update statement in SQL. How to delete and update specific record. The update command syntax is here: update database table name, set. Here the new keyword set. You can update one or more columns by using update statement. Here is the condition where clause condition at which records will be updated. So copy the syntax, okay, change the database name first, test SQL, and the table name is student. Set column name, let's suppose test SQL, go to students table and insert a record by using GUI. Name is Fahim, blood is B positive, hostel no, father name Irfan, phone 0300, go, record inserted successfully. So column name that I want to update is name and blood. Name in quotation, single quotation, Muhammad Fahim, and blood is A positive. So what is the condition? I want to update a record where record ID is 1. Okay, so for this ID is 1, copy the query, go to console, press Ctrl plus enter. Okay, so change the name students because the table name is the students, or we can change the name students to student. Execute the query. So record updated successfully. Look at here, name changed, name is updated successfully, and also blood is updated successfully. And same case with SQL Server. Open databases, test SQL, go to tables, right click, edit to top 200 records, Fahim, be positive, yes, father name Irfan, phone 300, record inserted successfully, and click here for new query, paste the query, copy the query, and so select the database, test SQL, database selected, remove the database name from query, set name is equal to Muhammad Fahim, blood, check the query, execute the query, select the record, record updated successfully. Delete from syntax. Delete statement is very simple statement. Remember this point, which is very important. Condition must be valid and clear. If your condition is not clear, then it is possible, according to your condition, all the records may be deleted. Same case with the update statement. So make sure your condition according to record which are going to update. Copy the statement. Condition is, let's suppose, delete the record where id is equal to 1. Copy the statement. There is only one record in the table. Execute the query. Do you really want to execute? So, empty table, record deleted successfully. Also, same case, remove database name. Execute the query by pressing F5. One row affected. If I refresh this query, there is no record in the table. Record is deleted successfully. So thank you for watching this video.